A porch is more than just an entrance to your home, it is an extension of your living space. A well-designed porch can offer a warm and inviting environment, where you can relax and enjoy the outdoors while still being sheltered and comfortable. One popular porch style that has stood the test of time is the vintage-style porch. It brings back the nostalgia of yesteryears and adds charm and character to any home. In this video, we will explore the various elements of creating a vintage-style porch and how you can transform your porch into a picturesque retreat. Before embarking on the journey of creating a vintage-style porch, it is essential to do some research and gather inspiration. Look for old photographs or magazine clippings depicting vintage porches from different eras. Identify the key elements such as architectural styles, color schemes, furniture, and decorative accents that resonate with you. This initial stage allows you to define your vision and sets the tone for the rest of the project. One of the essential elements of a vintage-style porch is its architectural details. Assess your existing porch structure and see if any modifications are necessary to achieve the desired vintage look. Consider elements such as decorative columns, balustrades, gingerbread trim, and pediments. These features can be purchased or custom-made to match the architectural style you are aiming for, whether it's Victorian, craftsman, or colonial. Moreover, choosing the right color palette is integral to creating a vintage-style porch. Research the historically authentic colors used during the era you are trying to emulate. Soft pastels, muted tones, and earthy hues were common in vintage porch designs. Light blues, shades of green, creamy yellows, and antique whites evoke a sense of nostalgia and contribute to the overall vintage appeal. To achieve an authentic vintage feel, consider installing appropriate flooring materials. Wooden planks or tongue-and-groove wooden boards are ideal for creating a rustic and charming porch. Paint the flooring with a weather-resistant paint in a color that complements the overall color scheme. You can add further interest by stenciling or painting a decorative pattern. Window treatments play a crucial role in creating privacy, shade, and adding visual interest to your vintage-style porch. Choose curtains made from lightweight fabrics such as cotton or linen. Alternatively, consider lace curtains for a touch of elegance or charming woven bamboo shades for a more tropical flair. Furthermore, carefully selected furniture and accessories will bring your vintage-style porch to life. Look for vintage or vintage-inspired pieces that match the era you are aiming to recreate. Wicker furniture with floral cushions, wrought iron benches, and wooden rocking chairs are all timeless options. Add cozy throw pillows, vintage-inspired rugs, and antique-looking light fixtures to enhance the overall charm. Don't forget to incorporate plants and flowers for a touch of natural beauty. Vintage-style porches are known for their whimsical decorative accents. From hanging flower baskets to vintage signs or wind chimes, the possibilities are endless. Look for unique and interesting pieces that reflect your personal style, whether it's a vintage birdhouse, a retro thermometer, or a vintage-style porch swing. Such accents add character and contribute to the overall charm of your porch. Creating a vintage-style porch is a delightful way to add charm and character to your home. By carefully selecting architectural details, choosing the right color palette, and incorporating vintage furniture and accessories, you can transport yourself and your guests to a bygone era. Remember to do thorough research, gather inspiration, and personalize your porch to truly make it your own. Whether you're enjoying a cup of tea or entertaining friends, a vintage-style porch is sure to become a cherished space where memories are made. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.